how are you? Welcome to our online class. Today, we will write number 5. You will need a paper and a pencil. Look at how I will do it first. Then I will give you time to do it on your own. Draw a vertical line from the topmost line down to the middle line. Then, make a curved line going down to the bottom line. Lastly, draw a horizontal line from the starting point at the top of the vertical line. Let's do it once again. Draw a vertical line, then a curved line, and a horizontal line. Try to do it on your own on your paper. Did you do it properly? Great job! Practice writing number 5 some more so you will get better. Happy learning! Thank you for watching! For more fun educational videos, click here to subscribe.